Bird Brains! Welcome back to another video out on the Dyna today. And right now we are headed out to Cowboys, Alamo City, Harley-Davidson, to meet up with some of the OG crew and do kind of a impromptu city ride. It's about 98 degrees right now, and bike is heating up fast here. But we're expecting a cool front this weekend. It's going to get down to 89 degrees as the high. Whew, man, going to break out the hoodies. If you've never caught one of these city rides, basically what we do is we'll meet at a spot, and then once everyone gets there, we just go wherever we want to go. Sometimes they turn out to be very interesting and very entertaining, and sometimes they suck, and that's usually when I don't upload them. So if you're seeing this, hopefully it's at least a mildly entertaining episode. But we got Ken coming out, we've got, I believe, Donnie coming out, Hasso coming out, and I think that's it. No, I don't think Roblox's coming. I think he had previous plans. I don't know. We'll just see when we get there, I guess. So when I texted the group yesterday, I said, hey, do you guys want to go do hood rat shit tomorrow? And it auto-corrected hood to good. So it said, do you want to go do good rat shit tomorrow? And Hasso was like, rat shit, is that what the millennials are saying? And I believe that Hasso didn't understand it. And then Roblox was like, rat shit, what's that? And I was like, God damn it. Come on, guys. Read between the lines. Like a goddamn nursing home in this group text right now. Now, I'm pretty sure Roblox was just trying to highlight the fact that I had auto-corrected something without correcting it. But it really could go either way since he's like 107. Well, I guess that's just the things you have to deal with when your friends are members of AARP. Stopped a little bit past the line there, huh? It's alright. You'll be okay. Alright, guys, so the squad showed up. We got Uncle Ken, got Donnie, we got Hasso, we got a Street Bob that just showed up. Don't know who this is, but I was in here like, oh man, tassels. But he's got an oil cooler. Like, how cool is that? Looks like a pretty simple install, actually. I might actually consider doing that now. Now that I know how clean it looks and like how easy it is to install.
Are you gonna have room with your crash bar?
Yeah, it mounts way above where the crash bar sits.
Oh, nice.
It mounts off to the side, so.
Oh.
Right? It's like you can't even see it unless you know what you're looking for.
Skip Big, he installed one.
Yeah, he was the one telling me I need to do it. Him and Dewey both said like, hey, if you're riding in Texas, if you're doing any sort of engine mods, you need that.
There's even a chrome cover for cool people like me.
Cool people?
Chrome.
You say old people weird.
Chrome. See, I'm trying to get rid of it, all this chrome.
You got a long way to go, bud.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, let's go get into some shenanigans.
Evil shenanigans.
I want to go check out, is it Hero Stadium? They got that big open parking lot. Sure your bike's
on? What's that?
Sure your bike's on?
Damn it. Yeah, they put that forklift on the elevator. I know it. There's the solution to our question.
I don't think you're right.
Dodging water.
I was riding like a total asshole yesterday, so I hope I don't do that today. So far, not doing too good. I'm gonna try to wheelie, alright?
Okay.
Nope.
Not quite. Oh, it came up. It came up.
Yeah, I still got a long way to
Two inches. 2 whole inches, I saw it. 3 inches of air right there, man.
Well,
I have to be generous. Talking it up now.
I'll say 2 inches is about 5.5 in minutes. I was talking to Ortiz because he can actually wheelie pretty good now, and he said it's all about tire pressure.
Really?
Yeah, he said that you gotta take it down to like 25 psi.
Dang.
Oh, we're taking a left, by the way.
Oh, okay. Good to know. I got it. Your blinker was blinking.
Yeah, but can't see my blinker, so.
Oh, well. Your blinker's not blinking anymore, though. Blinker. All about the drama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, come on, sub. God damn it.
Oh, son
guess
of
we're
a
stopping.
bitch.
Way to not rear end me, David. Yeah. Appreciate that. I do like all your sponsor graphics on the back of your helmet.
Hey, I'm a
It
sellout.
looks nice and clean.
I'm selling as fuck
So,
right now.
and talking to yourself, you should just fucking engine and fucking win, man. That's all you need.
Yeah, I got called a sellout because I said that the Street Bob had a small gas tank
Really?
and then gave the range and said it's not as bad as a Sportster.
How does giving stat?
Dude, it's the internet.
I don't understand all these rules of the internet. I don't know that. Oh, God damn it, David, you're windy mic. No, it wasn't me, man. It wasn't me.
I love how it instantly gets quieter.
I want to go in
So-
there.
Over where? Over in that factory?
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's pretty well locked down, but
Probably.
I'm down for an adventure. That's the kind of shit I'm talking about, kid. Those are some ideas I can get behind.
Yes, this is the fire!
No, kid, too far. Too far.
I need to bring it back about 20% on that. buddy.
Yeah, pump the brakes.
Pump the brake.
I'm gonna need to use to pump the brakes.
20% less cool. Put it back, dude. Hey.
Do it, Donnie. Do it.
Don't you fucking boot me, I swear to God. I will set your bike on fire.
I don't quite have the robust crash bar you do.
I bet you even if we can't get in there, we can get somewhere and get some badass pictures. And it's good. It's almost golden hour, guys. We can get the best pictures ever.
Do it. Selfie. Stop sign? What?
What stop sign?
Hazard right.
California stop.
Oh yeah, we could definitely find some off-road trails over there. But if you dropped your bike, man, that 1,000-pound beast, we'd never get it up.
Never.
Never. Think there's people banging out in these cars over here?
Just go roll by nice and slow.
Dude, I want to
Hanging
come
out.
over here and take a picture.
Hanging out and banging out.
Y'all don't have to follow me. Oh shit, that's sand. That's gonna be fun to get back up. Ugh.
Not going, Ken? Hell no. Oh, back up. Go around, motherfucker. Go right over there.
It looks like
He's
a
an
city
off-road
vehicle.
master.
Oh man, cops. 30 seconds in.
We're just driving in dirt.
Donnie, get your fucking ugly ass bike out of the picture. Let me take some picture of this thing first.
Solo life, man.
I'm a lone wolf, baby. That just always group rides. Oh man, if you'd have busted ass.
I got it. My camera's running, man. I'm ready. I'm sorry, officer. We just wanted to come somewhere to be hooligans without being dangerous. We're the safe kind of hooligans.
Law-abiding hooligan.
Yeah.
The law-abiding hooligans.
Hey, nice shirt. Where'd you get that?
What shirt am I wearing?
You don't even know what you're wearing?
No. Let's go get in that factory.
Hey. Nope. Unsubscribe.
Well, that gate's locked.
Oh, Northeast Service Center. Okay.
No trespassing.
I don't want to trespass. Let me back up out of your way. Well, where Donnie's at right now might be a good picture, too.
Nah, it's an off spot.
You said not sus.
Fight!
Hey, they gonna own that picture, right, Donnie?
There's a shady spot over there.
Say cheese, man. Oh,
Yeah, because that's all you want for pictures, right? Is shade.
We're water buffaloes, right? Got plenty of shade. Water shade.
Yeah. It's That's why all the professional photographers carry around all that equipment that they plug in for shade.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah, there's no getting into that place.
Well, you're the booper. Boop the fence down.
That's if they were made out of road glide saddlebags, I would think about it.
They had no chest.
Yeah, I'd feel confident in that, but now those look a little bit more beefy.
What you see in the movies, they just drive right through them.
Yeah.
I've seen it done on a motorcycle, just drive through the fence.
That was called The Exterminator or something, right? That movie?
Yeah.
All right, let's go try to find somewhere else.
All right then.
Man, imagine playing paintball in there. Oh my god, that'd be so much fun.
Still running.
Broke the tire loose on that.
Maybe you need to stand up on your rear fender. Go.
I don't think I can get this fucker up.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, we should go sit next to the cop, get a picture with him. See if he can turn on his lights. Give him a foot in cuffs.
Right?
maybe we can get Donnie tased.
Yeah. Hey, he's sitting under the bridge over there. We can go.
Hey, can you tase my friend? Man, imagine the clickbait I could get if he could put me in handcuffs and like put me over the hood.
That was dirty right there. We should see.
I will do anything to be YouTube famous, Ken. I don't think you understand.
Thinking of a list right now.
Right? It's more of like, what would I not do?
I mean, I could pepper spray you.
Oh, hell yeah. Top 10 things Bikenberg would do to be for YouTube popularity.
I'm not gay, but 1 million subs is 1 million subs.
Demonetized.
Right. Are you kidding me?
I forgot how to a motorcycle.
Oh, I just now realized that my bike is the SAFC colors.
Uh-oh.
Hey, sponsorship.
Nice.
Right?
And Spurs.
Spurs only red.
You only have a little red.
There's not getting good spots over here. So a guy about to go fly drones? Sure is. This is a very popular drone spot. Let's see, where else could we go? You got any ideas?
No clue. I'm following you, man. Just follow the leader. I was down to go talk to the cop.
You have a thing for guys in uniform, don't you, Donnie? There's no denial there, so. All right.
Hey, man. Chicks with authority.
What? Let's go over like around the airport. See if we can get like some.
That's not 10 feet, asshole.
Sorry.
Your math is blowing my mind.
Carried the 7, and obviously he wasn't 10 feet away. Clearly. High screen. Revving at the car with a disabled child in the back. I give him.
That's even more reason to not be on your phone.